Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making cumin beef. This is one of those dishes I will make at least once a week because it's so easy to make and it's super delicious. Let's get started. I have a piece of beef chuck here. I'm just slicing it into 4mm thick pieces. Next, we're going to marinate the beef. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix them together until the liquid is almost gone. That means the beef absorbed all the seasoning. After that, we will add 1 egg white and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Massage the beef until it feels like a velveting texture. It should be very creamy and slippery. Set that aside for 20 minutes and we will prepare some other ingredients. This is pickled face heaven chilies. We call it 朝天椒. They are super hot. You better be careful when using it. If you cannot find this specific type chilies, you can use fresh hot chilies, no problem. I am adding some of the brine in that bottle. I just love that sour pickled flavor. I am using a scissor to cut the chili open. In this way, you release part of the spicy element and the chili will still be the whole shape, so no one will eat one by accident. Okay, besides that, I have some red dried chilies. This is optional. It is not spicy at all, just for color, because it is red, so it makes the dish looks nicer. 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. You can add as much as you like because this dish is called cumin beef. Few cloves of minced garlic and some thin slices of onion. That's it. Let's start cooking. In China, we usually use a wok to do the stir fry, but today I am using a frying pan. I like to fry the beef until it has nice brown color. I'm just tossing the oil to cover the bottom. Heat it up to super hot, then adding the beef piece by piece. The heat is important. If your heat is not high enough, the beef will overcook before the outside gets golden brown. If your pan is not big enough, you can fry the beef in batches. Here is a little trick. I always put in the beef in a certain order so I will remember which piece gets cooked first, and when I flip them over, I will follow the same order. Wait for a minute or two. Take a little peek to see the color. If it is beautifully brown, then flip all the beef over and fry the other side. When both sides are looking good, take it out. Look at that. So nice. Smells amazing too. Set that aside and we can cook the rest of the ingredients. I washed this pan because after frying the beef, it has some small particles left in there. If you don't wash it, it will ruin the flavor and the presentation. The oil is hot now. Let's add the onion, the garlic, the dried chilies, and the pickled face heaven chilies. Stir them until the onion becomes transparent. Add the beef back to the pan. Give it a few tosses. Dumping all the cumin powder. Toss it again. Make sure everything is evenly mixed. Taste it a little bit and see if you need more salt. Mine does, so I add a little more. Mix it evenly and you are done. Dust more cumin powder on the top, and I also like to sprinkle some red chili flake. This is optional. I think it just makes the dish looks a little bit nicer. Look at that. How beautiful it is. That looks really good. I can't wait to eat it, even though I eat it often. I have to say that cumin and beef, they always go so good together. The beef is so tender, flavorful, full of cumin fragrance because I use the pickled chilies. So this dish also has a little touch of unique Chinese kimchi flavor. I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment and let me know how it went. As always, you can check the description for the written down recipe, and please give me a thumbs up. If you like Chinese food, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any episode. If you want to know more about me or support me, check out my Patreon link. It's right there. And I'll see you next time. Bye! What do you want? I want your cumin beef, Mom. Okay. Just be patient. Let me finish this video and I'll share some with you, okay? You gotta be careful. It's a little spicy. Okay. Deal? Deal. Good. Good boy. Okay, so go play around.